Welcome to another episode of Bash Training on Arrays. My name is Frederick. The objective of this course is to get you up and running with arrays, help you understand the differences between the arrays and the variable, create, declare, and slice the arrays. Without further ado, let's get started. Array is a data type containing a variable that can be indexed. This is what I mean by that. I'm creating an array or a variable, my fruits, that contain all the fruits that I like. Then I'm going to echo the output of my fruits. I'm going to get anything inside there. Now I want to verify if this variable is indexed. How do I do that? Echo everything in the form of indexed, and let's try to get something in index 2, and I have nothing. And if I try 3, I get nothing. And why is that? The answer is simply because when we created my first fruit, we did not index it. We did not create it with the right syntax. My name index should be equals to a value. The index here was not assigned to my fruits, and that's why this is a variable and not an array. So let's convert that to be an array and see how that looks like. As we can see, now my Bible, which is my new array, contains the index number, index 0, and the value that are assigned to it. We have index 1 and the value that are assigned to it, and so forth and so forth. I can enter this. I can go back, echo my index. Let's echo it global, and I get everything within my index. Now if I try the position 0 in my index, I get a value, and if I try a position 4, I get a value, and that's how we create an array. I could also create this manually by just doing my Bible and the index 0 and the value that I want to assign to it, and I will still get the same result that I just did before. When we talk about slicing, how do we get a specific value within the array that we are working with? We can get the index and the position of that index. So good example would be if I echo my Bible and echo the last, I get Jeremiah. I can get the same output if I only echo 0, which is giving me, remember when we assign it, Jeremiah here was assigned to index 0, and that is how I sliced it out, by defining from 0 index, the second column is the length. So from 0, give me the length 1 value that is assigned in that position, and that's how I got that. Down the road, as we proceed with more in-depth programming, we will have to work with the length of the arrays in order to iterate through all the values of variables that we have to get the desired output. And we create the length of the array by just adding a pound sign in front of the array that we are working with. This is the syntax. The pound sign in front of my array that I'm working with. So if I wanted to convert my Bible and get the length of it, it's easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another variable called len, and I'm going to assign len to my Bible star, also which is global, everything and inside it. And I can just echo my len and give me the length, so I know I have 5 values within my Bible. How can I get the last value within the Bible if I know that I have 5 values within that array? This is another easy breezy. Echo my Bible, and I want to get everything on the fourth index on the first place of the fourth index, and that will give me the Proverbs. Remember, when we echoed everything global, Proverbs was the last value that we defined back there, and that's what we just got up there. We can quickly declare our array by using the syntax declare minus a, the array name, and we assign different values to it. And so I declare minus a you fruits and my fruits that I want to assign to my new array that I just declared there, and I can just echo it and get the output that I just assigned. Quick test: just get everything within the third position, and just to make sure that you have all the values was assigned properly. I think we forgot the last quote, and there we see we have banana on the list of everything that has been assigned. We can echo back the first array that we created, and then we can, if we wanted to add a different element within our array that we already created, let's say we want to add watermelon, we can just add my Bible array is equal, which is assigned to the name of the array which I had already, my Bible and watermelon. One thing you gotta remember is that when this watermelon is assigned, it will be after the Proverbs, it will be assigned on the last number of the array list that we have. So when we go back, echo it, we can see there watermelon is assigned last. We can move this watermelon to the third place by defining the exact position where you want your array to be assigned to. Let's get that done. Now with the lowercase, let's assign watermelon, and then let's echo again, and we can see here the third position there: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 onward. Removing everything from the array is easy. Just use the unset command and then specific position if you want to define the index, and then whatever you want to remove, the element you want to remove. And then when you go back and echo your Bible, you can see the watermelon that was there is gone. It's no longer in our. The same concept work if we want to delete everything within the array that we created. So we can go ahead and unset my Bible and go ahead and unset it. Same command, and then we enter it. Sorry, I put into the array list. We unset my Bible, which was the array we created. Now if we try to echo my Bible, we will get 0 because that is deleted. Therefore, in recap, what we've done, we've get you up and running with the arrays. We'll help you to understand how arrays work and the difference with the variables we've created, we've declared, and we've sliced different arrays. Again, my name is Frederick, and thank you for joining. I'll see you in the next lesson.